Well, I'm up here at Lee's putting in a new condenser unit. The other went out. But what I wanted to show people was when you have a compressor swapped out or something new, you make sure that the technician flush the system out. I'm going to show you why. You see that can of stuff right there? That's a flush. Now, when I flush this system out...
That's why I clean for you before you come, you see?
Yeah.
I take it off there and I sweep them in. I put the water.
Yeah.
I clean it.
Yeah, I'm going to record this so they'll have a tape of it. Yeah. Now, this stuff is supposed to be white. Look at that bag. Look at that. That came out of inside the lines. That's mean companies recommend you to flush, these things out before you put a new compressor set in there. I just wanted to show y'all that. Look at that stuff. Dark. It's supposed to be clear as a bell. Now look at that. It's supposed to be clear as a bell. But she ain't. Stuff's so nasty inside. Well, I'm going to flush that in again just to be on the safe side. If I got to put a new THV valve in there, I'm going to flush it again. One more time. Just take time, y'all. Got my nitrogen bottle. This whole thing been up there years. I finally talking to replace it. So, I'll show you another video after I get it back in there. I'm going to be here most all evening, messing around, cleaning.